Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn how to use a variable in Postman. Let's start by looking at this get URL. Here I'm sending a request to postman-echo.com with a query parameter of id equal to 123. If I hit send, you can see I'm getting the id equal to 123 back in the response body. In the tests tab, I'm also asserting that the id is equal to 123 in my response body assertions test function. Now I'm going to duplicate this request and then click on the environment quick look button. Here I'm going to add a new global variable and call it my_var with the initial value of 123. Hit save and go back to the new request copy. Now you can replace 123 with my_var variable within two curly braces. In the tests tab, click on get a global variable snippet and use it in place of 123. Just make sure to replace variable_key with my_var. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.